Hi folks, Mr. Long here. I'm going to do a screencast on how you solve equations with rational exponents, and you're solving for the base in a relationship. So just to do a quick review here, so you can see my mouse, oh, you know what, let's zoom in on this a bit actually. I need to zoom into that. Okay, so what are the rules for exponent on a power? Okay, so the 3 is the exponent, 5 squared here is the power. What's the rule? Well, this means you have 5 squared 3 times in a row. 5 squared, 5 squared, 5 squared. Altogether, you have 6 5s with repeated multiplication. So 5 to the 6 means you multiply the exponents. Okay, multiply the exponents. Another quick one to review then is the general rule for this is x to the m all to the n. I think I've already put it there. It's already written there for you. It's x to the m times n, right? You multiply the exponents. All right, another thing. So this is prior knowledge that you need in order to solve these types of equations. What do you notice about 3 divided by 5 times by 5/3? Those are reciprocals, right? So we call this the reciprocal product relationship. 3/5 times 5/3. Well, 3 divided by 3 is 1. 5 divided by 5 is 1. So overall, it's 1. Or I can just think of it this way. 3 times 5 is 15. 5 times 3 on the bottom is 15, right? We multiply fractions by multiplying the numerators, then multiplying the denominators and getting the answer. But you can see, since these are reciprocals, the answer is 1. Anytime you multiply reciprocals, you get 1. So 1/2 times 2, 1. Because 1/2 times 2 is 1/2 times 2 over 1. Or 9/10 times 10/9, etc. All right, so here's something else. A third thing that we need to review before we solve these equations is this: division to multiplication by a fraction equality. Okay, division to multiplication by a fraction equality. So if you notice, how many times does 2 go into 10? So 2 goes into 10, I don't know, 5 times? I think so. And then what is 1/2 of 10? So 1/2 multiplied by 10. Well, that's also 5. So we can say that those are, in fact, would I say that they're not equal, or are they equal? Which one would I pick? Okay, which one would I pick? Equal or not equal? I'm pretty sure I would pick equal, right? They're equal because dividing by 2 is the same as multiplying by 1/2. Okay, so now let's do one example. And that's all we need to do is one example. And then you'll do these yourself as you go through them. So let's do A together. So this says x to the exponent of 2/3 equals 49. So there's our power. And then what I've done below, and I'm solving for x, right? So what base do I put to an exponent of 2/3 to get 49? So if I look down here, I just took the x to the 2/3 and I put it right here. And then I took the 49 and I have my equal sign there and I put the 49 there. So again, some of the principles of solving equations, whatever you do to the left, you do to the right. Well, we also have this property of, like, if I want to get x by itself, right? I want x to the 1. So how can I turn 2/3 into 1? Well, look at our reciprocal relationship, right? Our reciprocal relationship. 5/3, 3/5 times 5/3 is 1. So look at this. I can actually just go and make, if this is 2/3, then if I change this exponent to 3 over 2, that will multiply out to 1 because I have an exponent on a power. Okay, so 2/3 times 3/2 is 1, which gives me x to the 1, which is what I want. But whatever I do to the left side, I have to do over here to the right side, except we're just going to write it a little bit differently. Because look at what we just did here. This is 3 divided by 2. Well, 3, looking up here, 3 divided by 2, so this is 10 divided by 2, but 3 divided by 2 would be the same as 1/2 of 3. Oh, so I can do that with exponents. So 49 to the 1/2, right? Dividing by 2 is the same as multiplying by 1/2 to the exponent of 3, okay? And then I go through that, and I can do 49 to the 1/2, use my power chart if I need to, but I'm pretty sure that's a square root of 49, which is just 7. Select 7. And then I've got this exponent of 3 out here. Exponent of 3. Now I'm pretty sure that's 243, but just to make sure, I'm going to go over and look in the chart, okay? So let's see, 7 base of 7 exponent of 3 meets at 343. Okay, so that's 343. Okay, is our answer. So that's the solution to that equation, x equals 343. Okay, hopefully that helped, folks. And again, review this video if you need to, as needed, and certainly ask for help if you need it too. Okay. And, oh, by the way, the answers are off to the side here. Okay, you'll see your answers off to the side. Okay, good luck. Have a good day.